Okay, so to continue, we're finding this 3,000, and there was a mistake as to the payment, because when we try to search the 3,000 in here, it does not appear. So this 3,000, we try to find it here, 3,000 inside the old. So there's a 3,000 payment first, this one, and yeah, so this 3,000 is applied to these two, 41 and 42. So to make that happen, since we already corrected, I think the 1,000 in here, because we mistakenly entered that in our old, in our new. Let's try to find how this one was paid, this particular bill payment. So let's find 2,000 with that particular bill payment ending 0042. So this is it. It was paid in this way. Okay, it was paid individually, not 2,000. This supposedly the 2 must be paid at a time. Okay, and also the 1,000. Yeah, for the 1,000 in here, there's no, I think no, that's 41, right? Okay, 41. No payment has been made. There was actually, I deleted that to correct this. Okay, so to make it one payment, let's go back to the 2,000 and open this and correct the payment that is applied for this. Okay, so let's make this 3,000. Okay, then after that, 3,000 must be applied in this way. First is to the 2,000 is 42, and second is for the 41. Let's try to cancel that. Okay, so that's it. So this is it. This is the same as this one. Then second, let's try to locate that. It must be paid using this. Okay, 4656 in BK. You mean that there's no need for us to look into that which fund was what I call this one was used, because we already have this in the memo, and also we can use this one as a guide, like the 2203. Look for the 2203, then after that look for 4656 where the 2203 is under, because we're doing the 4656 now. Second is look into the eskhs.s, eskhs.s, okay, .sk. So this is it. So that's the bank account that we're going to use. Okay, then save and close. So once that we're done with this, if you try to refresh that one, you will see the 3,000 in here as a payment. You should in here 3,000. There it is. This one. Okay. Then that's it. Then third is okay. Then let's try to make it highlight. Okay. Then there's another more complicated than that one. Find there's the 3,000 again, as we find it earlier. So what we will do, the other 3,000 paid, let's take a look on the old. It was paid in this way. Okay, now let's take a look at what's the status of each of that in July. So first we have, okay, this one should be ASKH 0.39. So let's find the ASKH 0.39 in here. There it is. Okay, and this is for Muhammad, and it's paid in this way, 500. So let's try to cancel that, because it should not be that way, because it is paid one time by 3,000. Then second, let's have this 390. Okay. 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 There's no payment for that, so that's okay. Then also 19. Okay. No payment also. Okay. The last one is 210. Okay. For the 210, there's a payment. There's no need for us to delete this payment. All we need to do is to correct that, turn that into 3,000, and check the appropriate, like what bill should this be applied. This should be applied to what, the 39. This one, the 500. Let's uncheck this first. Second, the 390, the 19, and the 210. Okay, so that's, I think, 3,000. There's a 240 excess. 500, 390. Oh no, it must be 500. Okay. Okay, that's it. It must be 0 in here. Okay, so that's it. So we're done. On the, again, what fund to be used? Yes, in here it's YK 2203. Must be 4656 YK. This one, YK 4656 YK, and that's it. Okay, so those are some difficult here. Let's try to refresh and find another 3,000 that must appear in our reconciliation here. So this is it. So check that. Okay, so we're done with another 3,000. This will take time. Okay. Okay, there's another 1-3 in here. For this case, there's no 1-3 appearing in here. It was but that's the reverse. We did that already, but that's another 1-3. No 1-3. This is we did this already. So there's another 1-3 payment, and also there's no 1-3 appearing in here. So for this case, in able to deal with that, all we have to do is just to make a payment, expense, then just copy this and the 1-3, put that in here, reference 1235, then maybe put that, then also in here, put that and categorize expense. Okay, the 1-3, then don't forget the 7-5, then after that, okay, put the other details in there. Okay, so in here, just put it to non-identified because we don't know what project where it was drawn. So that's it. Then save and close. Also, you can go first to the deposits because more of it are already in here, like that one, this 411, this also 24. It's already in here. Now, except for this is not in here, the 49894, except for that, and I think all the rest are in there. Okay, so for those that are not cleared deposit, maybe move that to the other period, like this might be received in the other period. So move that in here, the date. Okay, so that's it. Then daghan yung mga transfer sa kani kita kani transfer to 5743, then 5743. So dali ra na pangitaon may na sa example kani 57725, so mo na siyang transfer. Okay, ano lang, bali transfer na siya ba from 4656 to 5743. Okay, kaning uban diri nga na doble ni siya, murag mo ni akong gipabuhat sa niya na doble ang July, na humanan akong enter and transfer sa July. So paki-ano lang ni siya ha, paki-delete yung mga duplication transfer. So ang entry nako sa transfer is kani siya, expense, etc. Okay, now you will see this, for example, Norel din There's a name for this also here, Nuruddin. Okay. This is the same transaction. Okay, then yeah, then highlight that, click that. Okay, and this one also. This is the amount. Okay, Nuruddin here. Yeah, that's it. Then this is for Ahmad Ali Audi. Ahmad Audi, that's 1,000. This is where it is. Ahmad, let's find that 7.3. It's none here. Okay, this is it for Ahmad. All the Ahmad, it's different, different spelling, but that's it. Okay, Ahmad. Then Muhammad Ahmed here. This is Muhammad Ahmed 25, and there's 225, I think. Yeah, 225. Okay. There's another 125142. Looking into the old, there are two payments for that, but here in us we have only one payment. So this one is not paid. We are going to pay this. This is paid already. This one is not paid. We are going to pay this. Then date on 7/27, and it must be the same here. What account? Just DBC project. That's DBC project. Yeah, that's the account that we're going to use. Okay, so that's it. So this is a bill. I think a bill that is intended for this one. Okay, a lot of that. Okay, so that's it. Just save and close. There's a 4.2. If you look into the old, okay, 4.2 is in this way. So try to copy that that way. Now just make an expense entry. This one dated 7/27. Then follow whatever is the account that is used for that debit. So this is DBC project. So DBC project 7/27, then payable to Katan. Okay, that's it. Then 4.2. Okay, by the way, for the 475 that we did earlier, delete this one because there's another 475 here, which is the total of 150 and the 325. Okay, I don't know with the other 325. For this 150, like this, make a deposit entry, then copy the DBC, follow the DBC project, then after that, for receivable from employees, loans receivable from loans to employee receivable. Then yeah, I do that 150. Okay, for that transaction, you do that the same way here. Okay, so that's it. Close. Okay, correction. Make always a 475 entry for that as a payment for the salaries payable. So that is 7/4. Okay, then yeah, put that the salaries payable. Then yeah, then copy what is that amount paid, so not identified. Maybe coming from the profit. So that's 475. Okay, that's it.